In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background image in the Simple theme for Shopify. This tutorial is perfect for those looking to customize their store's appearance and create a more unique shopping experience for their customers. Now, the Simple theme may not always have built-in background image options for every section, so let's explore what you can do to achieve this customization. First, let's check if there's a built-in setting for background images in the Simple theme. Before jumping into any code editing, it's always a good idea to see if the theme already provides an option for this. You'll want to navigate through your Shopify admin to the Online Store option, then proceed to Themes. Once there, find the Simple theme in your theme library and click on Customize. With the theme editor open, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll be browsing through theme settings and sections such as Header, Footer, General, Colors, and Background. Sometimes there's an option labeled something like Background Image, Site Background, Page Background, or Section Background. If you find such an option, you can simply upload your desired image there, and you're all set. If the option isn't available, no worries. This is where some custom coding comes in. In the case where the built-in settings don't offer what you need, we'll edit the theme code to apply your background image using CSS. Before proceeding, it's crucial for you to duplicate your current theme. This step is vital as it ensures you have a backup in case anything doesn't go as planned. To do this, again in your Shopify admin, head to Online Store, then Themes, find the Simple theme, and click on Actions. There, you can duplicate the theme. Once duplicated, to edit the code, select Actions, and then Edit Code. In the code editor, you'll need to locate your theme's CSS file under the Assets folder. It might be named something like Theme, Liquid, Theme, CSS, Liquid, Style.cs, or something similar. Once you've found the right file, think about which section of your site you want to change. It could be the background for the entire site or just a specific section like a banner on the homepage or the footer. To add your image to the entire site, you'll use a bit of custom CSS. Insert the following code at the bottom of the CSS file. CSS body or background image URL, paste your image URL here. Background size, cover, background position, center, background repeat, no repeat. If you prefer to change the background of a specific section, you'll need to identify the correct selector, whether it's a class or an ID. Your CSS will look something like this. Paste your section class, background image, URL, paste your image URL, background size, cover, background position, center, background repeat, no repeat. Be sure to paste this code at the bottom of the CSS file. After adding your code, save the file and preview your store on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure your new background looks just right. This should give your Shopify store that personalized touch you've been aiming for.